Everyone. So, just to be clear on what it is that we need you to do for your recording on Flipgrid. So, here I have my slide, and then right down below, I have my speech in the speaker notes, of course. So, what you're going to do, you are going to get a code, which is this code right here, B8, B7, A3, C8. You're going to get that code from your HiCap teacher, and you're going to go here to flipgrid.com. And right here, you will notice it says have a group join code. So I'm going to type that in there, and then it will bring up where I can add a response, where I can record my video for my Newsroom Expo. So what I'm going to do before I hit that button, I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to click on my slide that is my presentation slide. And I'm going to click over here to slideshow. Then you will notice there's my slide, but I can't see the speaker notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push S on my keyboard, and that will make that slide a little bit smaller. And then right there we go, somewhere over here, I have my speaker notes. So I can actually have both of them on my screen that I can then read from. I need to make sure that I can see it all. And I'm going to adjust this a little bit more. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that on your recording, they see your slide, but not your speaker notes. So we're going to come back over here where we had our add a response. We're going to click on that. Now remember, you have 1 minute, okay? Let's see, I need to change what we look at. And we're going to go screen recording. We're going to go Chrome tab to my overview slide. So that's this slide here. These are all of the other slides that I have open right now, okay? So now you can see here, and I've already started recording. You can tell because of the circle right there. So now I'm going to start. As soon as you click that, let's go back to it. I'll do it again. And I've already started recording. You can tell because of the circle right there. So now I'm going to start. As soon as you click that, and I've already. Okay, let's try that again. So what we're going to do, we're going to come here to add a response, and then options right here, record screen. And as soon as I click this start screen recording and I select that tab, it's going to start recording right away. So remember, you have 1 minute to get that done. So if you're not able to get your whole speech in, you're going to end up having to re-record, and that's okay. I will probably have to re-record this like 5 or 6 times at least. So start recording, Chrome tab, my overview slide, and then I can start right away. Hi, my name is Miss Martinez and I work at Lewis and Clark and Washington Elementaries. The topic that I researched was how I can help ensure bees thrive and continue to pollinate. From my research, I learned that there are several things we can do to help bees. First, we can be sure that we don't clean our yards too early in the spring because some types of bees hibernate in the brush and dead sticks. Next, we can try to not use chemicals in our yards to get rid of weeds and flowers like dandelions. Finally, we can buy local honey instead of store-bought because it will help the beekeepers continue their work with keeping bees safe and helping orchardists and farmers to pollinate their crops. Now you know what you can do to help bees thrive. And then I go right up here to stop sharing, and it'll
My name is Miss Martinez,
immediately
and I work at Lewis
start
and
playing
Clark
my
and
video.
Washington.
So right there, you can see that that whole thing took me 47 seconds. There were a few places that I did speak very quickly, so I should probably re-record that and slow down just a smidge. But I'm going to go ahead and keep that one. So I'm going to go next. And no, I don't need to worry about a caption, I don't think. Although I guess I actually should, now that I think about it. I should write my name and my schools. And post topic. There we go. My video has been shared and I can go and look, I can see there it is right there. Okay. Thank you so much, and let us know if you guys have any questions.